In this video, I'm going to show you how to embroider the leaves. You can embroider the leaves before you remove the stabiliser, but I prefer to do it after. We're going to start by using a single thickness of wool, and we're going to make 2 straight stitches. Begin by bringing your needle up where you want the leaf to end. Leave a tail underneath so you can tie off once finished. Take your needle back down near the centre of the flower. Repeat by coming back up the first hole and back down at the second hole. You've now got 2 straight stitches which create the leaf. This time I'm going to come up closer to the flower and take my needle back down away from the flower centre. Repeat by coming up by the flower centre in the first hole and back down away from the flower centre. To create the third leaf, I'm going to weave my wool underneath the stitch on the back and come up at the centre of the flower. I make a straight stitch and come back down away from the flower. I repeat this again to create 2 straight stitches. Now I'm going to tie off the ends. Turn your jumper inside out and make 3 knots to secure the stitches. First of all, I need to weave the wool underneath the stitches on the back to bring the 2 tails close together. Right over left and under, left over right and under, right over left and under. Pull tight and secure by trimming the ends. You can use the needle threader to gently tease the wool and fluff up the stitches so that they lay flat. Congratulations, you now have a finished jumper. You've learnt how to embroider lazy daisy stitches to create a daisy flower, a woven rose stitch and straight stitches to create the leaves. But why stop there? What will your next design be?